turn and run. Don't, no. Man. You know not to do that. You know not to do that. Come on. I really hope I can fix that. Just a slight little wreck. Got a little bit of damage. More like a lot of damage. It's fine. Okay, yeah. What they're doing is racing. But I mean, well, you can't tell. They don't really like each other. So, yeah, they're gonna go and they're gonna race and we're gonna see if they won't kill each other. So we're just gonna put this in the front. You're in the black car, by the way. Racist, you're on the black car. No, I'm joking. You're on the black car. So, here we go. Oh, gosh. As soon as it starts moving, it's gonna fall. Don't worry about that red dot. It's totally not another car. Oh, come on, it keeps falling. Anyway, here's the blue car. Here's the black car. Yeah, so you're gonna go catch up. You go. If y'all are not aware, you'll just hit him. So yeah. That's cool. Let's put the black car here. I'm gonna grab this one. It might have been a little blurry, so I was running. Stuck. There we go. Okay. Okay. Black car, blue car. No, I missed. Man. Okay, black car, blue car. Don't know if you can see it, but it's all the way down there. And here's the blue car. So we're gonna send it. Here it goes. Oh! If you can't tell, it hit it. But it was not good enough because it did not flip the car. You want to flip the car. Black car, blue car. Here we go. We're on the blue car, by the way. And I'm gonna take y'all off him. But yeah. Here we go. Oh, it missed. Man. Alright. Towing the car back. It's gonna be the best round. I'm missing it. I don't like that. You ready? Yeah? No. It's not Cyrus. I think we're gonna start from this side. See what happens. And I'm actually gonna put y'all right here. You know, guys. Oh, I gotta fix the wheel. Hold on. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. Fix the wheel. I think I just broke it even more. Oh yeah, I definitely did. It's fine. It's coming. I'm gonna get you. Here we go. I mean, I hit you. Look. Look at the wheel. Look at that. It's all jacked up. So we're gonna fix this real quick. We're gonna fix this. This is, yeah. Oh, yeah. I've been out here for like an hour. I figured out the cuts here. You know, I'll fix this wheel later. That bird's sus. Okay, I'll fix it later. The car will be fine. You know, we're gonna get the red one. Yeah. And here's the red one. Okay, we got the red dot. This was the red dot. Oh, I hit dot dead on. I'm gonna have to see what that looks like later. I'm gonna have to see what that looks like later. That was sick. Alright. Now this is you. I'm also doing some concrete, so yeah. I don't know what's gonna happen. All I know is I'm doing this. Okay, it's fun. Ready? Here I come. Y'all went like, wee. You did a backflip, basically. Not basically, y'all did do a backflip. It was pretty cool. Ready? Here it comes. I better stop. Maybe a little pink in here. It's fine. Here's my sister's. Why is her window? It's wet in here. It did rain a minute ago, so that's probably why. All right, go beep beep vroom vroom car. Boom. Y'all should have seen that. I drove the car and it went like this. The car went wee. It was sick. All right, you guys are going back now. Here you go. Oh, that hit you direct on. That was so good. All right. Now we're going again. I'm gonna send y'all in the red car first. Or you're in the black car now. Go. You hit the brick. So yeah. All right, now you're going in the red car. Here you go. Gotta go by. Like and subscribe.